Morning has broken in the Northwoods of Minnesota. As dawn and a new day arrive, another workday gets into gear for Gene Crochelle.
Next job today will probably be Grand Rapids, Minnesota. Well, in the winter you need to have your snow shovel with so you can shovel underneath trucks and get at them. They've been working on it for a couple days and they haven't figured out what the answer is, so they're going to have me come up and figure out what the problem is for them.
The concept is simple. Why drive or tow your truck to a garage when you can bring the garage to your truck? Amid the remote back roads and small towns of America, the nearest garage may be hundreds of miles away.
Sometimes you end up a long ways out in the boonies.
Gene's Garage on Wheels is well equipped with the latest tools and technology.
The front two compartments, we just have toolboxes. In this one we have all our controls for our power unit, for our air compressor, our welder. We've got our cutting torch tanks in here. Air hoses for the cutting torches. So we got a 50-foot long cutting torch hose, two different air hoses, a 1/2 inch and a 3/8 diameter air hose. I have a lot of situations where it's just stuff that's too heavy to lift by yourself. That does a wonderful job.
It has extended cab, extended height. It's got a long 14-foot body. You can carry a lot of parts, a lot of tools. It's watertight. It's pretty awesome.
On this day, Gene and his Pete are cruising the lake country of northern Minnesota.
At least you don't have to worry about a lot of traffic up that way, and you get to see a little bit of wildlife.
Gene's next call is near Brainerd, Minnesota. While this is vacation land for many, for folks on the job, Gene's skills and service are vital.
One call does it all. They call us, we go to them. Helping customers get back on the road, and that's the most satisfying part.
Gene has a relatively easy assignment at Anderson Brothers Construction. It's regularly scheduled maintenance for a hard-working Peterbilt.
So we're just going to go through and adjust the intake and exhaust valves on this engine. The one thing I like about a Peterbilt is generally the engine sits a little lower in the frame, so it's not so high to get at it, and it sits a little farther away from the firewall also, so that makes it a little more convenient, a little easier to get at.
Gene's message today is simple. Be proactive, not reactive. If you take care of scheduled service, trouble-free driving awaits. Gene's back on the road, and that means another country drive in the backlands to his next assignment, keeping the wheels of commerce rolling.